Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Global Kitchen Show. Well, in today's video we are going to prepare rigatoni cheese with white sauce and tuna fish. So let's get started. Here is the ingredients. We are going to use the rigatoni. You can choose whatever quantity you want. We are going to need also the cheese. Here is a mixture of cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese. We'll need also parsley, chopped parsley, 2 cans of tuna fish, ground paper, white paper, black paper, it doesn't matter. You can use whatever paper you want. Here is salt, garlic powder, and also we will need heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. So the first thing that we are going to start with is we are going to make the rigatoni in a hot water and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes until it cooks. Once the rigatoni is cooked, we will add also the heavy cream to it. So here I will add the garlic powder, ground white pepper, and of course you can use whatever kind of paper you have. I have added also salt, tuna fish, and parsley. So I'm gonna mix everything together and then I will let it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it dries and it starts to be creamy. Now I will add Parmesan cheese, cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and I will let it for about 2 minutes until it sticks together and have a nice texture, and then we will be done with our rigatoni cheese. Our rigatoni is ready to taste and it looks very delicious. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe and leave me a like. See you next time with another recipe.